Hello students, let us continue our value education series with a new lesson titled Towards Equality. Students, in this lesson we will discuss about the issue related to gender inequality in our society and the efforts need to eradicate it. Let me introduce the topic with a simple conversation between teacher and his students, which will reveal the real mindset of people in the society about women. As usual, Mr. Thomas began his class with questions. First he asked Mario, "What is your father?" Mario said, "My father is a bank manager." Then sir asked, "What is your mother?" He said, "My mother has no special job." Sir said, "When does she wake up?" Mario said, "I don't know. When I get up, she is already awake." Sir asked, "When does she go to bed?" Mario replied, "I don't know that also, because when I go to sleep, she is still awake." Sir asked, "Why does she get up so early and go to bed so late?" Mario said, "She has plenty of work to do." Then Sir asked, "Then why did you say that she has no special job?" Now Mario was speechless. Sir said, "We never consider the work of our mothers as something to be paid attention to. It is our habit to take things for granted, whatever they may do. We do not give due consideration. Though our mothers are not getting wages or salary for their work, still it is worth considering. Think of the condition at your home when your mother is absent. We know everything at home will be a mess." In the top 5 round of beauty pageant, Manushi Chillar, Miss World 2017, was asked which profession according to her deserved highest salary. She said, "All mothers sacrifice so much for their kids, so I think it is the job of a mother which deserves the highest salary." Manushi said to a wide applause. At home, some children fail to respect their mothers as they respect their fathers. This is because our society is patriarchal in nature, where man is given more importance than women. They are likely to think that men deserve more respect than women. It is essential that these thoughts and attitudes should be changed for the equality of men and women and for the protection of women in the society. The significant feature of the civilized society is the respect and value people give to women in that society and the stand they take for the development and progress of the women. Children, men and women are considered masterpieces of God, the Creator. Both are created with some special gifts and qualities. Both are designed to reflect the beauty of Creator in their own special way. Men and women, one is not above or below the other, but both together complete the divine designs. Though there are differences between them with regards to physical structure, biological functions, psychological experiences and behavior. But in human dignity and human rights, nobody can differentiate them. In the ancient times, in household duties, men and women were differentiated, but now the time has changed. Now they together run the family affairs with consultation and collaboration. So, at such occasion, the differentiation in household duties create problems. Children, boys and girls should get proper awareness from homes and schools on real dignity of women to eradicate gender discrimination prevalent in our society. Girls must realize especially their strength and possibilities. Students must realize the danger of imitating women in column of fashion, beauty, advertisement, cinema, internet, etc. Boys and girls should be trained to place their confidence in intelligence, mental health and spiritual possibilities of girl. Nowadays, women have made their mark in different fields like art, literature, politics, business and social activities. They have proved that no field or area is beyond the reach of their capacities. Girls should become remarkable in the society not on account of their beauty but by their intellect, mental health and motivating presence. In modern age, girls are more involved in public places and jobs, so others should understand it and share the household duties at home like cooking, cleaning and gardening, etc. Boys should also be trained in household work. They should realize that it is essential in modern age to discard discrimination when it comes to the division of labor. As girls, they should realize the dignity, greatness and behave with nobility and gentleness. Using people as a piece of advertisement is against human dignity. Lot of advertisement misuse female beauty and dignity for amazing money. So we can say that such trends reduce female dignity as commodity. Children, boys and girls should together fight against such social evils. In the 19th century, there were extreme segregations and inequalities in our society with regard to caste and gender. Studies show that Kerala was far behind in this regard. The situation has changed after the universalization of education. Kerala society is grateful to Saint Chavra, who initiated a Sanskrit school, printing press and established education institution adjacent to church. Began men and women religious congregations, CMI in 1831 and CMC in 1866. The women religious congregations worked for women education and other women's upliftment program. Inequalities has decreased at a highly appreciable rate in Kerala due to increased literacy. Children, education is the best instrument to bring about social changes. So, at every stage of education, boys must be trained to respect and revere girls and women. When boys deal with girls, they must see a dignified human, that is, as individuals with intelligence, dignity and personality. Always treat them as equals and friends. Try to give them space. So children, this was the 10th lesson of our Value Education series. This is the end of our series. Hope the efforts made by us will definitely help you not only in scoring good marks but also for the betterment of your life. Though this is the end of a series, but it may be a new beginning for a value-based life. So live it and enjoy it. Thank you.